Wow, excellent. Second fish. Very good. Now, here's the tricky part, Kobe. Listen very carefully. Third fish. Uh, uh-huh. So I told you he has self-control, right? But you can try to fool him. Everybody. See, I told you Kobe's good. Okay, now, one more fish to go, and we are done. Hey folks, did you eat that last fish? Kobe, did you eat that last fish, huh? Oh, come on. They all saw you. Why don't you show them what happens to bad sea lions, Kobe? Anyway, folks, I'm just kidding. In fact, I'm going to give him another chance. This time, it's gonna be more difficult. Okay, folks. So instead, I will place this fish on top of his nose, where he can smell it but cannot eat it yet. So same rule applies. Try him this time. Louder.